Today I'm going to show you how to make oat raisin cookies. You will need 100 grams of oats, 100 grams of self-raising flour, 100 grams of butter, 100 grams of caster sugar, 100 grams of raisins, and 1 tablespoon of golden syrup. In a bowl to your oats, add your sugar, your flour, and your raisins, and mix until well combined. Then you want to melt your butter. I melted mine in the microwave. I popped it in for 20 seconds, gave it a stir, and then another 20 seconds, which melted it completely. But you can melt it over a low heat in a saucepan. And then just add in your golden syrup and give it a stir. And then to your dry ingredients, add your wet ingredients and mix until you have a dough. It will be a quite crumbly dough. Then pre-line a baking tray with baking paper. Roll out your dough into balls. You'll probably find that you have to kind of squish them together to make them stay together because, like I say, it is crumbly. Pop them on your baking tray, leaving space in between each cookie to expand. And then just press down lightly on the top of each of your cookies just to flatten it slightly. Then pop in a preheated oven at gas mark 4, 180 degrees centigrade or 160 fan assisted for 12 to 15 minutes or until golden. And there you have it. That's how you make oat raisin cookies.